Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chef Vicky Nice and I'm back with another yummy recipe. Today we are making this very delicious Chinese fried rice. So I will walk you through the ingredients you'll be needing to make this very delicious rice. First, you need some sweet corn, some spring onions, chopped carrots, some garlic, green peas, some sausage, chopped onions, some chicken breast which I've already cut, and of course my rice. You'll be needing eggs as well for this recipe. I have my white pepper, my light soy sauce, my dark soy sauce, my sesame oil, some oyster sauce. You are going to start by seasoning your chicken breast with some white pepper, some dark soy sauce, and also some light soy sauce. What you want to do is mix this. Make sure that every piece of your chicken breast is well coated with this sauce and the white pepper. Now you can do this a day before, like you want to marinate this and just let it chill in your fridge. Now you are going to add some salt and white pepper to your eggs. Okay, give that a good whisk and you set it aside. This rice is very simple to make. Just prep all your ingredients and you are good to go. It doesn't take time. Let's get cooking, guys. So you want to add some water to your pot, add your already washed rice and just allow this to cook. Okay, normally what you would do when you want to make your regular white rice, okay, that's what you want to do, but I like to add like enough water to my rice. Okay, at this point my rice is ready. I'm just going to drain out the excess water. In a pan you are going to add some vegetable oil. Now you want to scramble your eggs. Okay, just allow this fry. Don't scramble it too much because when you add it to the rice you are still going to mix. Once your egg is ready, take it out from your pan, add more vegetable oil to the pan and you are going to add your chicken which you've already seasoned. So allow this chicken to cook, like fry properly, and also take it out from the pan. While frying your chicken, you are going to notice that it's going to release a lot of juice. Allow it to dry completely before you take it out. Now after that, you are still going to fry your sausage. Okay, now drizzle some more oil to your pan and add in your sausage. You just want to fry this a bit. So once the sausage is ready, now you want to drizzle your sesame oil. Okay, to cook the rice proper you are going to use sesame oil for flavor. Now add the oil, then add in your garlic, saute it for a few seconds, then add your chopped onions. You want to saute your onions for 2 or 3 minutes, then you are going to add in your perfectly cooked rice. It is best to use leftover rice for your Chinese fried rice, but if you don't have leftover rice, what you can do is cook your rice, drain it and toss it into the fridge, okay, for it to cool completely. Now you are going to fry this rice for a bit before introducing other ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add in my carrots, my sweet corn, my green peas and Just give it a nice mix, okay? Then I'm going to season with my sauce. Please don't do too much, okay? It's better you taste it as you are adding, okay? As you're adding this sauce, you are tasting it so that it won't be too salty, too sweet and stuff like that, okay? Add in your oyster sauce, your dark soy sauce and your light soy sauce. Now give it a good mix. I noticed the sauce wasn't enough, so I added more light and dark soy sauce, okay? Like I said, you want to taste your rice to be sure of what you are doing. Now for this rice, there's no need for seasoning or salt. I already boiled my rice with salt actually, so the sauce is like your light soy sauce, your dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. That is all you need to perfectly season your Chinese rice. Now you are just going to add in your chicken, sausage and your scrambled eggs and just mix everything together nicely. This rice tasted so delicious. But one thing I would say, as a correct Nigeria babe that I am, this is the normal way to make Chinese rice, okay? But if you love pepper, you can add pepper to your Chinese rice. It is absolutely fine, okay? Trust me, this rice tasted really delicious, okay? I'm going to finish up with some spring onions. At this point your rice is ready, okay? Once you add the spring onions, your rice is ready. There you go, you have your yummy Chinese fried rice ready to enjoy with your friends and family, okay? It was my brother's birthday. Shout out to my kid brother, happy birthday, long life, prosperity. I actually made this rice on the special day because obviously the rice is special, the celebrant is special.